Installing the Seren Kodi Addon on Kodi 21 Omega is a straightforward process that opens up a world of streaming options. First, launch Kodi and head to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, navigate to the File Manager and select Add Source. Enter the URL for the Seren repository, which is typically found on the official Seren GitHub page. Make sure to name it something memorable, like Seren Repo. Next, return to the Kodi home screen and click on Add-ons. Choose the open box icon at the top, then select Install from zip file. Find the source you just added and click on it to install the repository. Once that's done, go back to Install from repository, select the Seren repository, and then click on Video Add-ons. Here, you'll find Seren, just hit Install. After installation, you can access Seren from your add-ons menu. Remember to configure your settings for optimal performance. Enjoy streaming your favorite content with Seren.